नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज का सेशन मैं इंग्लिश में लेने वाला हूँ। तो ये सेशन इंग्लिश वालों के लिए बहुत अच्छा साबित होगा। तो कृपया करके जो इंग्लिश वाले हैं वो इस वीडियो को जरूर देखिएगा। तो दोस्तों मैं शुरू करता हूँ। आईसीआईसी बैंक अनाउंस द लॉन्च ऑफ एन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर फॉरेन कंपनीज लुकिंग टू एस्टैब्लिश और एक्सपेंड बिजनेस इन द कंट्री कॉल्ड इनफाइनाइट इंडिया। The platform offered them banking solution as well as value-added services. An industry-first initiative, the Infinite India platform offers significant convenience to foreign companies as it eliminates the need of coordinating with multiple touch points, leading to a hassle-free experience of doing business in India. Commenting on the launch, Mrs. Vishakha Mule, Executive Director ICICI Bank, said, over the years, India has emerged as a preferred destination for foreign investment. We believe that a young demographic profile, a strong consumer demand, and supportive government initiative has boosted India's economic outlook significantly. The Initiative India initiative is a part of our strategies to future strengthen our technology enabled offering aim to partner with foreign companies coming to India. We believe that our dedicated strategies for this segment will further simplify the journey of foreign companies looking to start or expand their businesses in India. Value added offering in corporation services, especially correct for the setup stage, it offers advisory on laws and regulation to incorporate business in India as a joint venture, wholly owned subsidiary, license office, branches, project office, or limited liability partnership. License and registration: foreign companies can obtain license and registration in a timely manner on import-export code, FSI license, trade license, copyright solution, and patent registration. Taxation and compliance. Foreign companies can access an array of tax and compliance-related services such as filing annual return of company, GST registration, income tax return, as well as corporate filing with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs for registered office and amendment in Memorandum of Association. HR services: assistant in implementing HR related services, including payroll processing, providing fund registration, and return filing, is also available. Key banking services: authorized step of office as an authorized dealer category 1. The bank can authorize the setup of licensing office, LO, branch office, as well as a project office in India within a FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act framework. State of the art digital channel: the current account holder get access to its corporate internet banking platform with over 300 services as well as a mobile banking application. It enables businesses to complete almost all their banking requirements digitally, such as payment, receivable, foreign exchange, tax payment, among many others. They also get convenience of automatic bank reconciliation with ICICI Bank Connected Banking, which is feature with popular accounting ERP platform. Also, they get the facility to especially easily undertake integration with the bank by using the API readily available on ICICI Bank API portal. Trade services with a wide global network. It provides a wide range of trade finance solutions, including bank guarantee, letter of credit, remittance, among others. Also, it offers these through a comprehensive digital platform called Trade Online. Further, it provides outreach with a correspondent network of over 400 foreign bank access across 67 countries and foreign currency Nostro account in 26 currencies, ensuring that almost all international trade requirements are met. Treasury services: the platform provide access to leading treasury operation in the India round the clock services. Also, it offers online booking of forex trade as well as a web-based treasury solution.